Hey everyone, if you're looking to use voice typing on your Mac, you've probably come across VoiceInk and Superwhisper. Both tools use advanced AI to convert your speech into text in real time, but they differ quite a bit in pricing and features. Let's start with VoiceInk. This app is a great option if you want something simple, efficient, and budget-friendly. It's open source, so its code is transparent and trustworthy. For a one-time fee of about $25, you get lifetime access, no subscriptions required. VoiceInk runs entirely on your Mac, which means your data stays private and doesn't get uploaded to external servers. It's lightweight, fast, and includes a helpful feature called Assistant Mode, which can clean up your grammar or improve your notes as you speak. Overall, it's ideal for users who want a reliable voice typing tool without ongoing costs. Now let's look at Superwhisper. This is more of a premium solution designed for users who want advanced customization. Unlike VoiceInk, Superwhisper offers multiple modes that adjust how your speech is processed. For instance, it can automatically format your dictation for emails, Slack messages, or even code. Another big advantage is its companion app for iPhone, making it easy to dictate on the go. However, these extra features come at a higher price. A lifetime license is around $250, or you can opt for a monthly subscription instead. So what's the main difference? VoiceInk focuses on affordability, privacy, and simplicity. Superwhisper, on the other hand, offers more powerful AI features and flexibility, but at a much higher cost. Which one should you choose? If you want a cost-effective private solution that gets the job done, VoiceInk is a solid pick. But if you need more advanced formatting options and mobile access, Superwhisper could be worth the investment. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.